Welcome back to Explain CAD. In this tutorial, we will know about lofted bend in sheet metal. First of all, we create some sketches. I select top plane, sketch, normal, and here I create a rectangle, center rectangle, right click, select options, smart dimension. This side 500 mm and this side is also 500 mm. Right click, select option. Now select line command, center line, draw a line from here to here. Now select this line, offset increase, offset distance, I select 1 mm. OK. Now select this line, make it construction geometry, and same here, make it construction geometry. Now trim entities, trim this portion and this portion. Select OK. Now come back from the sketch. Now select features, reference geometry, select plane. In first reference, select top plane and the distance. I select 400 mm in flip direction. Select OK. Now select this plane, sketch, normal, and I create a center rectangle. Right click, select option, smart dimension. This side 200 mm and this side is also 200 mm. Right click, select option. Again we create a line, center line, and offset entities. Offset distance 1 mm. OK. Now select this line, make it construction geometry, and this line also construction geometry. Now select trim entities, trim this portion. Select OK. Come back from the sketch. Now select this plane and hide it. Now go to sheet metal, lofted bend at this point and this point. Select OK. In sheet metal parameters, you can enter your thickness and here the bend radius. I select 1.2 mm and here is also 1.2 mm bend radius. Select OK. Now select flatten. See its flat pattern of this sheet. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.